This storybook has made over 7 lakhs in income. In this video, we'll be discussing how you can make your own book with just 4 simple steps. And using the help of AI technology, this will be way too easier for us. Within 10 to 15 minutes, we'll be able to make our own book and publish it online. So without further ado, let's begin. Earlier, if you wanted to publish your own book, it was very tough. First, getting an idea, brainstorming for new ideas. Second step used to be you need to make your own book with good climax, good ending, a good start, and if it's made for kids, you need to add a moral as well. Getting this, publishing it online and selling this book was very tough. But now in this AI generation, it's very easy for us. So what are these 4 steps? The first step, make the script. Making the script will be very easy with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot which can solve any questions or any queries you put in. Just put a random question and it's going to give you the answer. The second step is to make illustrations for our storybook. A storybook without a good picture is nothing. So for that, we'll be using Midjourney. It's not completely free, but you get free credits at the start, which is more than enough to make your first book. Third will be to putting your script and your illustrations together with the help of Canva, which is 100% free. Next and the last step will be to upload this book on Amazon KDP or Kindle, wherein people can access through it. You're going to get some amount of royalties and it is very easy and it's 100% free as well. So let us start with our first step, which is to make our script. So let's head over to ChatGPT and give it a command. Let's ask for 5 ideas for a storybook. Give me 5 ideas for a storybook. Hit enter and you'll see the magic of ChatGPT. So as you can see here, 5 ideas for my storybook is ready. If you're not satisfied with these 5 ideas, you can increase the limit as well. So the magic forest, the secret garden, the great escape, the lost treasure, and the enchanted circus. After reviewing, I feel the great escape is a good idea for a storybook. So it's basically a story in a far-off land ruled by an evil king. A brave group of rebels plan a daring escape to free themselves and their people from oppression. As they travel through dangerous terrain and face numerous obstacles, they must rely on their wit and courage to stay one step ahead from king's soldiers. Okay, so I'll just ask ChatGPT to give me a story outline. Give me a story outline. As you can see here, Chapter 1, The Rebellion. Chapter 2, The Great Escape begins. Chapter 3, The Traitor. Chapter 4, The Ship. Chapter 5, The New Land. Chapter 6, The Legacy. Once we are done with the chapter outline, this just takes 2 minutes to complete. And once we are done with this, our next thing will be to make a rhythm story. Rhythm story is basically a poem and a story mixed together. So as you can see, Leela and Raj were rebels bold against the kingdom they took a hold. Then this is what going to continue. So as you can see, a rhythm story is made for us. Within 10 minutes, we chose what is the topic for our story, made an outline for it, and even made a rhythm story for it. Now we are almost done. We are done with the script. Our next thing will be is to make illustrations, because a story without illustration is nothing. So for this, we'll be using Midjourney. So in the market, there are a lot of AI art generators. Night Cafe, DALL-E, and Midjourney, and a lot of them. But Midjourney is one of the superior ones. Head over to Discord and join the Midjourney server, and there are a lot of people continuously making different types of AI art. If you want to make an AI art as well, it's very simple. Just write /imagine prompt. Now you need to give the prompt or the text, which it will later on convert the text into the AI art. So head over to ChatGPT where you have created your chapter-based outline and just copy introduction to Leela and Raj. 2 rebels fight against an oppressive kingdom. So just paste this and hit enter. The Midjourney bot is going to take this text and convert it into image. So as you can see, there are 4 different options created for you. The first one, second, and this third and fourth. All 4 of them look stunning, and if you put this in your story, automatically you'll get sales. So there are 2 rows basically, U1, U2, U3, U4 and B1, B2, B3, B4. If you click on U1, U2, U3, U4, it's going to upscale the image, and give it you a downloadable image, which you can download, or you can see a bigger version of the image. V1, V2, V3, V4 is basically generating 4 more options of one particular image. Just right click and then save this image, and this image will be stored on your local PC. You can use this image for our illustrations. But before that, using all our outlines which we generated from ChatGPT, we'll be using that in the Midjourney, and I'll just for sample create 6 images. So we have generated our images. Now I here present the story. So this is Leela and Raj. They were in a kingdom and they planned to escape. So during the escape, some soldiers tried to attack them, but they managed to escape from the soldiers, but they are quite scared. They managed to get a ship and try to board the ship to escape from this island or the kingdom. Then they come to a new place and build a new house for a new life, and they lived happily ever after. This is a very simple story with no plots and no good plot and very bad twists. There's no twists exactly, but you can make your own twists depending on how creative you are, and you can ask ChatGPT also to add more and more twists. Once you're satisfied with the story, you can generate the images using Midjourney and then join it together. Now we have our story done and images done. Now we have to put this together to make a storybook. We'll be doing this with the help of Canva. Canva is 100% free, which you can use. Head over to canva.com and then search for storybooks. Hit enter and you'll see create a blank storybook. Now you can upload all the images you have generated from Midjourney and just add the texts. We can copy this text all the way from ChatGPT and join it together. So we'll copy our rhythm story. So this is the first rhythm story. Let's copy and just head over, and I have uploaded all these images as you can see. Now just go to the text, add a subheading or a heading, paste this. Now the most important thing is having a good font. So let's click on Canvas Hands, and there are a whole lot of options. Let's select this. So this is looking good. Now what you can do is format this. Copy the same text and add each and every text all the way from ChatGPT to Canva, and then just edit it. Within 30 minutes, we created our content for our storybook, we made the illustrations and put it all together in Canva. We are just one step away from publishing our book. That is to upload this book to Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP is a platform wherein we can upload these type of storybooks or any sort of book in Kindle, and that people can read on ebooks, and you'll get royalties. As up to this video can go to 2 hours. So instead of that, in the description box there is an article which you can use to publish your own book on Amazon KDP. That is all for this video. Check out this description box for the important links, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.